Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the server maintenance message and exact window. That tells you whether this is local or server-side. Once done, switch to a wired LAN or a stable 5 GHz Wi-Fi and disable any VPN or proxy because tunneling can mask issues. Next, clear the game cache and force close Efootball, then reboot your console or PC to flush stale sessions. These steps remove client-side causes, so you can isolate true server maintenance versus local connectivity problems. Now you perform diagnostics to pinpoint the failure. You run ping and tracert to the game servers to spot packet loss or hop failures, document times and errors. If DNS seems slow, flush DNS with ipconfig/flushtons or switch to 1 or 8 temporarily to rule out resolution delays. Also check your NAT type and set up port forwarding for the game's UDP/TCP ports if required, because strict NAT often blocks matchmaking even if servers are up. Finish by restoring a clean client. Verify file integrity or reinstall Efootball only after backing up cloud saves so you don't lose progress. If problems persist, test with a mobile hotspot to see if your ISP routing is the culprit. That isolates local network versus server-side faults. Make sure to collect timestamps, ping/tracert outputs, and any error codes before contacting official support so they can act quickly. One key tip: keep a short log of each step to speed diagnosis if escalation is needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.